value of your property will definitely increase. So, yun yung mga laro with real estate. In today's video, we're gonna talk about resale properties you should consider as like the development and proposals within the area, within the circle of that property that you're going to buy, because what greatly affects the increase of appreciation value of your property is the establishment that will be developed. That's why if you are on a waiting game investor, it is advisable to purchase in a property na wala pang naka-establish. Though, hindi mo talaga siya mapapakinabangan during that time. Kasi nga, wala ka pang nakikita, wala pang mapapakinabangan, hindi pa convenient tumira doon sa space na ininvestan mo. But the point is, later on, when the establishment's already rising, appreciation value of your property will definitely increase. So, yun yung mga laro with real estate. Kaya ang sabi nila, real estate is para sa mga mayayaman. So, it really depends on the person, the perspective of the person who's investing. Kasi like, lahat naman nagsimula sa buto na itinanim sa ilalim ng lupa and now, nakadepende yan doon sa kung saan mo itinanim, diba? At kung anong environment ang pinaglagyan mo ng tanim. So, yun for now. Bye!